Jeff! About roller skate. Oh. Come on na, roller skate. 33,000 na tayo. Really, Jade? Privacy? And then that's what you show? Yeah. Whoa! Is that you're gonna hurt yourself there? Come on. Yeah, there you go. You don't wanna hurt yourself. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh yeah, she didn't see. You see her on recess? Her favorite.
And Jim.
Mother recess daw. Mother sa recess daw si Julene.
No, it's not.
Because I was cold.
Come on, Jelana. There's nothing in his belly. Did you read your book now? Go read your book. No, Julene. Jade is done reading her book. You're not reading? Okay, so that's good then. If you don't read then, you're going to sleep early. 36,000 na tayo.
By the way, so I have two entries for the irony things and I put it in the favorite kit.
Oh, nice. Ano ba itong pinaglalaro ni Jelana? Busy na naman. Diyos. Oo. Mahal kita.
No, I do. Actually, like me only.
Mahal kita. Mahal kita. Yeah, mahal kita. Love you. Salamat po. Say salamat po. Salamat. Say salamat po. Say salamat po. Ayan, 6:30 na tayo. Aba, sana umabot nga yan. O, sana umabot ng 1,000 yan. Hindi, nawala. Ate Dong is playing for you. Be careful.
My turn.
Where are you biking? What happened now? Oh, she wants you to bike? No, she can do the bike as long as on the road. On the floor. You do one legs and then on the floor is the other. Oh, naka 40,000 na tayo. Let's go to the garage now. You wanna go to the garage? Ang gulo ah. No, she cannot. She's too big now. You wanna go to the garage? You wanna roller skate with Jade?